So you're waiting on your Texas unemployment benefits, and let's be honest, you're probably feeling that anxiety creep in right about now. I completely get it. You just lost your job, the bills are still piling up, and you're sitting there wondering exactly when that financial lifeline is going to arrive. It is incredibly stressful, especially when you're trying to figure out how to check your status without getting completely lost in the maze of government bureaucracy. But hey, don't worry. By the end of this explainer, you're going to know exactly how to bypass all that confusion and take total control of your claim.
Okay, let's just dive right into it. Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're giving you a complete step-by-step guidebook so you can confidently set up your account, log in securely, and figure out exactly where your Texas unemployment claim stands. Here's our agenda for today. We're going to cover Texas unemployment benefits basics, navigating the TWC system, doing a step-by-step status check, some security and troubleshooting tips, maximizing TWC's online resources, and then a quick conclusion and recap. Starting off with Section 1, Texas Unemployment Benefits Basics. So this whole process is managed by the Texas Workforce Commission, along with Texas Workforce Solutions. They're the official state agencies handling this lifeline for Texans. And it's super vital that you get familiar with who they are because, well, you're going to be interacting with their systems a lot over the coming weeks. Now, here's the really crucial thing to understand about unemployment benefits. Basically, they provide temporary partial income replacement. This is an employer-paid program, and it's specifically meant to give you some relief if you're unemployed or even if you're just working reduced hours through absolutely no fault of your own. Just keep in mind you do have to meet specific requirements regarding your past earnings and why you left your job to actually qualify. All right, here's a number I need you to just burn into your memory right now: 4. Why? Because it can take up to 4 weeks from the exact date you apply for the state to determine your eligibility. I know, it sounds like forever, but why does it take so long? Well, they actually have to gather your past wages, and legally, your former employer gets up to 14 days to respond about why you're no longer working there. So if you're seeing a pending status early on, take a deep breath. It is completely normal. Moving right along to Section 2, navigating the TWC system. The Texas Workforce Commission, or TWC for short, manages this entire process through a portal called Unemployment Benefit Services, usually referred to as UBS. Now listen up, because this is huge. You have to make sure you're strictly using their secure, official .gov web addresses. The internet is literally full of lookalike scam sites just waiting to steal your data. Always, always verify that you are on twc.texas.gov before you type in a single piece of personal information. Okay, Section 3, step-by-step status check. We're going to conquer this process in 3 super simple steps. Step 1, accessing the Unemployment Benefit Services portal. Step 2, logging in securely or signing up for a new ID. And Step 3, navigating directly to the claim and payment status page so you can actually interpret your claim info. So when you get to the sign up and security information screens, take a close look at those requirements. You have to create a password that is 8 to 32 characters long. It needs an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. So yeah, get ready to flex those memory muscles. And please, whatever you do, do not use your name, email, or social security number in that password. You're also going to set up some security questions. Pro tip here. Pick answers you'll actually remember, because believe it or not, they are entirely case sensitive. But wait, I've got a massive time-saving tip for you right here. If you already happen to have a login from workintexas.com, the state's official job board, you don't even need to create a new account. Nope. You can completely bypass the creation screen and just use that exact same user ID and password to log right onto the Unemployment Benefit Services portal. Talk about a lifesaver, right? Next up, Section 4, security and troubleshooting tips. I need you to listen very carefully to this next rule. If you forget your user ID or your password, never, ever create a duplicate account. Seriously. Why? Because every single ID is strictly tied to one specific social security number. If you try making a second account, the system will instantly flag it for fraud and completely lock you out of your original account, which is going to delay your benefits significantly. If that forgot password link isn't working for you, your best move is to submit a contact request directly to the TWC help desk. Let's do a quick comparison to make sure you're protecting your identity and, of course, your benefits. On the safe side, definitely stick to best practices, like keeping your 4-digit PIN totally private. TWC staff will literally never ask for your password or PIN. And hey, if you're forced to use a public computer like at a local library or a workforce center, always remember to log off and close the browser completely when you're done. Now, on the risky side, Never share your passwords. And whatever you do, do not ignore physical letters sent to you by TWC in the mail, especially the ones asking you to verify your identity through ID.me. If you ignore that letter, I'm telling you, your claim stops dead in its tracks. Moving to Section 5, maximizing TWC online resources.
You actually have a whole toolkit at your disposal here. If the website ever goes down, you can use the automated telesurf phone line, that's 800-558-8321, to check your status or even request a payment. Also, you absolutely must use workintexas.com to fulfill your mandatory work search registration within 3 days of applying. Need quick answers? You can chat with Larry, the TWC virtual assistant on their website. He never sleeps. You'll also use ID.me for your identity verification, and if all else fails and you're really stuck, you can call the TWC Telecenter at 800-939-6631 to speak with a real human being, though just a heads up, wait times can definitely be a bit long.
And finally, Section 6, conclusion and recap. All right, here are the big takeaways. Just remember to log in and check your claim and payment status regularly on the UBS portal. Treat it like a bank account. Safeguard your credentials, your user ID, your password, and that PIN. And above all else, just try to be patient during that initial 4-week processing window while they verify your wages and job separation. It takes time, but it's part of the process. If this explainer helped clear up some of that confusion and maybe lowered your stress levels today, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. It honestly helps us out a ton. And definitely make sure to check the description below the explainer for direct, completely safe links to all the official TWC resources we talked about today. Finally, just a quick note, this explainer is strictly for educational purposes only. Unemployment rules can be super complex and vary based on your specific situation, so you should always refer to official Texas Workforce Commission communications for the most specific, up-to-date guidance on your unique claim. I'm going to leave you with this final, incredibly vital thought. Getting approved? That is only step 1. To actually get paid, you have to stay active. So ask yourself right now, have you updated your workintexas.com profile today? If you don't do it within 3 days of applying, your money just stops. Go get that done, stay persistent out there, and thank you so much for learning with us today.